All right, there it is, guys. Look at it. 2021-0701. It's out. It's there. It's just really barely there. I have to remember that around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Maybe it's the way they do it. And it's still not here, right? So it's still not on the principal servers. It's not there yet, nor on Rackspace and so on. Maybe here already? No. So it's just this one, the torrent. And we've got it. We have torrented it. And it's already seeding. So 44 people are actually idle, have it already, and give it to other people and peers downloading. Well, it's not correct, I think, but you know what I mean. This is the amount of people actually downloading now and then helping others now with uploads. I suppose there somewhere is information of all the countries that are now downloading from me and all their IP addresses. People, which country is that? Venezuela, Uzbekistan is there, Netherlands is there, Mexico is there, Indonesia is there, India is there, Germany is there, and France is there. And that's cool. So if you have bandwidth enough and you say I have no problem with sharing my bandwidth with the world so that everybody gets a fast download, you do that, right? Don't forget to delete it if you don't want to do that. If you don't want to do that, you delete it like this. Also delete the files. No, we want to test it out. So, okay. So now it's gone. It's not seeded. And if you have a small volume in download, upload and all that, then do it like this and stop the application because it's still there. Always be aware that maybe something is still uploading to people and maybe that is not legal in your country. That's up to you. So we've got ourselves finally the official one, ArcoLinux. And if we pop this open, you say, Eric, nothing is popping. Yes, it is. It's down here. Arch. And here we have the contents of the ISO. What I'm interested in is the package list. I move this one out of here. And that's all I want to do for now at the moment. This, I name it Pure Arch, right? And then I've just made a video about how to create my own ArcoLinux ISO. So this is the one I've created, I've built in video something, I don't know, let's have a look. So be sure to, is it called register or subscribe? That's the word. Be sure to subscribe because I see so many people having questions and they have been solved like a week or 2 weeks ago already and they keep looking for solutions. It's all there online already a week or 2 ago. So all kinds of things, taking ROM, taking blah blah blah. No, I don't know where it was again. Did I already post it? I'm not sure, but it's there. So subscribe. What I like to do now is open up this, go down there. That's mine. Same thing. Move it. I don't need to rename it, but just for the sake of it, mine, right? These two guys compare. Files are identical. How awesome is that? We've built exactly the same ISO. Me and ArcoLinux guys. In content anyway. In packages and in versions, we have the same Lego blocks. Whew. Is it exactly the same? Well, then you should compare what inside this one, I guess, and inside the other one. But we're using the same scripts. I would be surprised if they were not the same, right? We're using the same tools. So certainly the package list is exactly the same. Exactly the same. Blue thing means files are identical. Pure Arch, mine. That's all I wanted to share with this video. So we have built an ISO prior to the official release. The official release is these ISOs up here. Please go get them, right? But if you can't wait, just like me today, I wanted to have the new ISO. When it was not there, it was still not there, it was still not there. I just built it myself. And as you can see, the packages are exactly the same. All right, cheers.